Why did we give weight on the affidavit of Yusek Rahman?
Well, I see sincerity on his part.
Okay, so follow up na lang with the resignation first of Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong and now Commissioner Dave Simpson.
Tapos may recommendation na yung ICI para kasuhan si Bong Revilla.
And confidence with the ICI.
Yan po yung breaking news ngayon. Former Public Works Secretary Dave Simpson resigns from the Independent Commission for Infrastructure effective December 15. Sabi po ni Chairperson Retired Justice Andres Reyes, for health reason po. Yan yung in-announce ngayon mga kababayan sa presko ng ICI. Inirecommend din mga kababayan ang investigation.
Nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Pulsa, opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Pulsa, what you see is what you get. You decide.
Right now, nagpapapreskon yung ICI.
About any other.
Sir, why did we give weight on the affidavit of Yusek Rahman? Why did we give weight on the affidavit of Yusek Rahman?
Well, I see sincerity on his part. Then no comment already.
Big-announce niya yung pag-resign ni ICI member, Commissioner Babe Simpson, effective December 15 daw, or until December 31 for old age.
We have not thought of that. Anyway, it's not my concern. That is the recommendation of the President. So I don't know who it will be.
Okay, so follow up na lang with the resignation first of Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong and now Commissioner Dave Simpson.
Tapos may recommendation na yung ICI para kasuhan si Bong Revilla
And confidence with the ICI.
and other officials.
We have been filing almost against everybody already. I think that's enough trust that we are building on for the Filipino people. Okay, naman.
Hi sir, Lance po from News Watch. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hi, sir. Sir, just a clarification po. Dun sa apat na senators na further investigative review case built up, clarify lang sir, wala pa tayong parang pinapa-recommend na charges, just investigation. Unlike po dun sa batch na Senator Revilla na under the requirement of recommendation.
Si Binay, si Chis Escudero, case build up daw.
Press conferences. We need witnesses, mga driver, mga katulong, kusinera, bank clerk, secretary, accountant. We need more witnesses. No? And then, pangalawa, we are not washing our hands from these cases. We are just joining hands with the Ombudsman. In the meantime that they are investigating, we are also investigating. So two heads are better than one. Thank you.
Justice, good afternoon. May magiging effect ba yung pagbaba ni Commissioner Simpson sa Independent Commission dahil nga mabubutasan kayo for ilang weeks din since December 15 and then tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung investigation nyo dito?
Well, mawawala yung tatlong Tagalasal, magiging dalawa na lang.
Pero how urgent ang kailangan sa pagkahanap ng kapalit po ni Commissioner Simpson? Kasi nakapublic na rin ang ICI with this one So medyo somehow mabubutasan po talaga ang commission dahil dalawa o tatlo na lang po kayong
Hindi naman po. We can continue investigative work on table basis, not hearing basis.
Sir, do you think yung mga na-unfold sa mga hearings, sa investigation po, ay may epekto doon sa pagbaba po ni Commissioner Simpson?
No, he cited health reasons.
Hi, Justice. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, dun lang po sa naging live streaming po natin, how would the ICI explain to the public the decision of the ICI to immediately approve the request for an executive session without the resource person explaining the specifics of if there is a really serious threat to their lives?
No, they mentioned a lot of reasons, not only threat to their lives.
Pero kanina po wala yatong specific mention.
There was, if I remember correctly. But rest assured that, we'll try our best to encourage the people to have live streaming.
And do we have the schedule now of the appearance of House Majority Leader Sandro and Davao City Congressman Pulong?
As of now, no definite time yet.
Thank you.
Pati lang sir, ano live stream? So para sir, narinig naman natin yung common na ini-invoke nila na reasons. But what will be the basis for the ICI to deny a request for a executive session?
Well,
What is not acceptable? What is not an acceptable reason for the ICI to justify invoking the executive session?
maybe it's a very flimsy reason.
Like what?
It doesn't like our face, maybe something like that.
Pero sir, like aside from that, mga
There must be a reason for non-appearance.
pero sir, yun naman magiging default mode natin. Although we are going live stream baka ng resource person niyo, sir, since nakita nila na you can go to executive session, go na lang tayo executive session.
Well, that's the right of a person. It's his personality, his humanity, and his personal life.
Sir, just a little bit more on the hearings today. How did you feel about some of the testimonies, maybe particularly kay Congressman Domingo? Did he mention the amount of budget that he receives versus what's going on in Bulacan? Can you just maybe give us a peek into what went into the hearing kanina?
I will not go into that. That's under investigation.
Pero sir,
I cannot divulge what happened in the hearing.
pero sir, anong impressions? Can you talk?
I cannot give impression, yeah. So thank you. Last question.
Just I don't know if this has been asked, but there are people saying that the hearing, that at least what they've seen with Laguna Repagaraw, it's just a yes or no hearing now. He said, she said. Compare daw po sa mga hearing ng Ibon and Infracom, wherein parang magkakaharapan yung nagbibigay ng mga allegation. How can we ensure that the ICI will be able to get the information and verify it in a way from our resource person and not just rely on whatever they will say?
Well, a witness, you can see a witness if he's lying or not. Makikita mo rin sa body language. So there are a lot of things that you can decipher in a person from his tone, from his body language, from his face. So that's what I've been trained as a prosecutor for 9 years. So, but that answer, I cannot really give an answer. But that's my personal evaluation of a witness. Yung kanilang appearance, if they're afraid, they're always looking around. Maraming bagay eh.
But we're not looking at for example po, yung mga recent volunteers po, there were allegations from the Discayas. Is it possible that the Discayas will be called again and then some lawmakers will be called again? And then maghaharap po sila sa kanilang mga testament or affidavit? Here's IC.
Well, very possible to ask them to come and clarify or add or continue more what they're saying.
So possible.
Anything is possible if you're doing investigation work. You may go back and review. So, okay na tayo. Okay, thank you.
Yan po yung breaking news ngayon. Former Public Works Secretary Babe Singson resigns from the Independent Commission for Infrastructure effective December 15. Sabi po ni Chairperson Retired Justice Andres Reyes, for health reason po. Yan ang in-announce ngayon mga kababayan sa press ko ng ICI. Inirecommend din mga kababayan ang investigation ng ICI, possible charges against Senators Chis Escudero and Mark Villar, former Senator Grace Poe in Makati, Mayor Nancy Binay in relation to anomalous flood control projects. Ito po yung unang parte ng press con.
I would like to first announce the resignation of Secretary Babe Singson or Commissioner Singson effective December 15, 2025, but could be extended to December 31. He mentioned the very intense and stressful ICI work has taken its toll on this aging body.
Pati si Andres Reyes parang hinihika. Grabe si Pon.
The Commission will recommend ang pagsampa ng mga kaso laban sa mga these following persons. Former Senator Bong Revilla Jr., Bernard Ngo, Carlin Villa, Gerard Opolencia, Manny Bulusan, Ruel Umali,
Si Manny Bulusan pala.
Altea, Arlene Yap Villa, J.Y. De La Rosa, Mrs. Patron, and Carlo Aguilar. Ang posibleng mga kaso ay direct or indirect bribery and corruption of public officials, plunder and administrative sanctions, amongst others. We're also submitting new evidence in addition to our previous referrals, which may possibly lead to more charges for the following individuals.
Manny Bunuan,
Secretary
dating
Manuel Bunuan,
DepEd Secretary.
Former USEC Catalina Cabral, former USEC Roberto Bernardo, former Congressman Saldico, Commissioner Henry Lipana, Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez, and JP Mendoza. Because of the gravity of the allegations, the Commission also recommends that the following individuals be referred to the Office of the Ombudsman for further investigative review and case build-up, with the understanding that any additional evidence obtained by this Commission will be transmitted immediately. Number 1, Senator Chis Escudero. Number 2, Senator Nancy Binay. Number 3, Senator Grace Poe Llamanzares. Number 4, Senator Mark Villar. Ang hustisya ay stricto. Thank you po.
Yan po mga kababayan ang breaking news ngayon. Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mix fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayosan niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga naghanap po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.